So this is DIY with Donna, and in this video we're going to look at some plant maintenance. I'm going to separate one of my plants, the birds of paradise, into two different plants. We have two stems, so we can separate them. So I have this birds of paradise plant, and it needs to be separated because it is too crowded there. I'm going to use this self-watering planter I got from the dollar store for about $5. I like this pot because at the bottom it gives the roots space to grow and have enough air around it to grow. And then on the side you have the side where you can put water directly to the roots. I moved to the garage because it's going to get dirty, and I have my soil out there that I put a little bit in the bottom of the new planter. So the first thing I did was pull it out of the old container, which took a little prodding, but I finally got it out. And next I'm going to use my spade there to go into the soil and separate the two plants. Then I will show you the roots of the two plants once I break them apart. So it's a little bit difficult. It takes a little bit of muscle to do that. But eventually we will get it. And I just put them in two separate pots. Here is the roots of the plants. I watered them and then put dirt around them. And I have two separate birds of paradise. So after I was done, I put them back in the kitchen and cut off the dead leaves that were on it, and then watered it to make sure that it got enough water on the outside of it. I did water the roots before I put more dirt in it. And then the other plant I put in another room near the window. Likewise, made sure there were no dead leaves at the bottom, and then watered that one also. So we'll keep checking on them, make sure they're doing okay. But that's how you separate birds of paradise. This is DIY with Donna. Please subscribe, like, and share, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.